Hello great minds, good morning. On this tutorial I want to teach you how to make paper fan for your cake decoration. And you can see on this video I have edible spirit, black food color, a knife, a ruler, a scissors, hot glue gun, and then the ones I've already made, the paper fans I've already made. So let's just get into it. So like I said, of course you need skewer, so I have lots and lots of envelopes at home. I don't know what to do with them, so I just decided to make use of them by making these beautiful paper fans for my cake decoration. And it's something that is very easy, something you can do at home. I always say that in my videos, that there's nothing is too hard if you're determined to do it. So I decided to just film the process, like I said in my previous video that I'll be showing you how to make it. And the reason why I prefer this, especially when I'm making a black paper fan, is that you have the liberty to make it as wide as you want or as small as you want. Unlike the ones we buy in the stores, they are just made in the same, and they all come in the same sizes, so but with this you can make it very wide. It depends on the kind of cake you're making, or you make it very small. So all you need to do is to get your envelope, whether it's big or the big one or this small one. All right, this is the biggest actually I have at home, so that I think there are other sizes. So just cut off the rough part, and then you of course need your ruler and a pen, and just cut the envelope like I did in the video, right? You have to have this triangular shape, so just use your ruler. This is where it comes in. You need a pen or a pencil, and then just rule it so that it will be very straight. That's why you need to ruler. Don't assume your hands are straight and you can just rule it like that. But if you can cut it without a ruler, freehand cutting, of course you can do that. So just rule it like this, and then use your scissors and cut it off, because I need this to be big. I need it to be wide. That's why I did it this big. Right, but if you want it smaller, you can do it. You can do the smaller one. Right, so this is what we have after cutting. This is a triangle, right? Yes, I think yes, it is a triangle. So these other ones, they're not wasted at all. You can cut them as well and use them to make a smaller one, like I did in the video. So this just cut off the other part so that you still have the same triangle, right? So after cutting them out, you will now start folding. I know my workspace is just clumsy. Well, I did not remember to push off the papers that I've cut out while I was making the video. Please forgive me. So like you can see in the video, like I said, it's very easy. So after cutting it out, you just start folding it back to back. You fold it this way, then you flip it over and fold it the other way. This is something we used to do when we were children. I remember then I never knew I was gonna be a baker, and then I'm gonna need this again. So it wasn't really difficult for me, because I knew as a child I always made this. I made aeroplanes with paper. I made um, cars, toy cars, a lot of things with paper. So I didn't know that in my adult life I'll be making things like this again with paper. So it was quite a fun process. I enjoyed every bit of making it. So instead of just making it and not filming, I decided to film it and show you, because I know it may be helpful to one or two of you. Of course, there are some regions where they don't sell this paper fan in their baking supply shops. So I decided to show you, just in case you want to make something like this. It's something that is very easy that you can make by yourself. Alright, so after making it like this, you're going to fold it so that you have that shape. Just fold it like this. You can see that it's something that is very easy. You see how beautiful it is already. So here is where your hot glue gun comes in. You plug it to the electricity, and then you just glue the two ends together, just like that. You're done. You can see how beautiful it is. So this other one on the table is the other one I made with the smaller one. So of course you want to attach your skewer to it so that you can insert it in your cake, because most times we use it as cake topper. So this is it before painting. I had to also glue the other one because the other one is very important in this cake decoration. I used it as well. So the same process, just glue it together. Ensure you glue the bottom part so that it will not be flying up and down. You just need to then attach your skewer. Then after that you start painting. So in this video I painted only this one, but I painted the other ones later. So you need a black color, like I said, a brush, a painting brush, and edible spirit. The reason why you don't use water is that when you use water it becomes very light, and it can tear. So you use edible spirit. So I just put a tiny bit of black color in that my painting plate, and then added edible spirit, and then started painting. It is as simple as that. So here you can play with the colors. If you want a dark blue, you can make dark blue. If you want a brown, you can make brown. But any other color apart from these, I don't think it will work, because it's an envelope. Of course it's already black, it's already brown. So if you want the other colors, you can buy this paper, I don't know what they call it, from stationery shop, and then you can make as many as you want. You can even start it as a side hustle, right? So this is it. Isn't it beautiful? You can even start it as a side hustle. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.